Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the customer service section in the Brandy Melville Europe application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the customer service button. And as you can see, at the top of the page, you will be able to see their email address, and you can write to them regarding any problem or question that you have. And also you will be able to find the frequently asked questions. So if you click on that and scroll down, you will be able to see all the questions that is most frequently appear, and a detailed description to it. Also, you can search for topics like ordering, shipping, payments and returns, and you will find very detailed descriptions on all of these. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.